Most people throw this away after a wedding, but I am preserving it forever. My sister's friend gave me her Varmala and trusted me with her lifetime memory. Just look at this. A Varmala made completely of red roses and pearls. No mixed flowers, just red roses and pearls. Simple, timeless, and honestly, red rose Varmalas are so underrated. That's why I wanted to preserve it the right way. So, let's start preserving it together. So, first I separate every flower, every petal, every pearl carefully. Now we let the flowers rest and air dry naturally. This step is important because after about 4 hours, the extra moisture from the flowers is gone. This helps the flowers dry better without losing their shape or color. After 4 hours, now that the flowers are ready, I gently place them in silica gel to lock in their shape and color. And now we wait. So, this is just part 1 of the preservation process. If you want to see how these flowers turned out, make sure you follow me for the next part. I'll see you in the part 2. Bye bye.